What I wish I knew before watching this Boeing 737 take off. It's like a roller coaster in the sky. Check out Nauru Airlines' impressive Boeing 737 as it gears up for takeoff from Brisbane Airport. Feel the sheer power as the engines roar to life, and the aircraft accelerates down the runway. Look at that speed. It's like the plane has a date with the clouds. Notice how smoothly it lifts off, defying gravity with effortless grace. In just a few seconds, it's airborne, climbing higher and higher with every moment. The thrill of takeoff never gets old, does it? And there it goes, soaring into the sky, leaving the runway far behind. If you love aviation, this is the kind of moment you live for. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sky-high excitement.